4 saving challenges na pwede mong simulan this month. Struggle ka ba sa pag-iipon? Number 1, 52-week challenge. Ito yung tumataas kada linggo ang iniipon mo. 50 pesos this week, 100 pesos next week, and then after 1 year, meron ka ng pang-invest. Number 2, luho, kapalit, ipon challenge. Bawat temptation na tinatanggihan mo is equivalent to your savings. From online shopping, isave mo na sa Kaiser plan mo. Switch mo yung priority. Number 3, no spend weekend challenge. Walang gastos tuwing weekend. No delivery, no mall. Kakaroon ka ng savings plus may bonding ka pa with family. Number 4, 20 pesos everyday challenge. Maliit pero tuloy-tuloy. 600 pesos agad sa isang buwan. At alam mo bang pwede ka mag-invest sa Soldibo Mutual Fund for as low as 20 pesos? Tandaan, ipon doesn't have to be boring. Gawin mong exciting at merong kang goal. IMG can guide you every step of the way. Kung gusto mo mas matuto pa, comment #ipon below for free coaching to know more about our financial literacy campaign. Retire early, live free, kayang-kaya basta may tamang gabay.